The day of the dead. I arrived in Guatemala on the day of the dead, November 1st. I'm curious about these holidays, so I go to some street to see what's happening. What I find is quite interesting. That it must feel like bodies. There are people everywhere. Families are sitting around the graves of their dead ancestors. They clean the grave and add fresh flowers. I walk through the cemetery and admire the beauties of all the colorful flowers. There are also colors in the sky because many kids are flying kites. Some families are having a picnic next to the graves. They eat, drink, and chat together. People laugh and smile. In the United States, cemeteries are always summer. We certainly never have a festival or parties next to the graves. We don't laugh and play music or fly kites in cemetery either. I find that I prefer the Guatemala's approach. I like the way they remember and celebrate those who have passed away. I like that they acknowledge death instead of denying it the way Americans do. I like that their life and well deep in their cemetery. Guatemalans call it the Day of the Dead, but it also the days to appreciate life.